guys, welcome back. I'm sure this is like episode 3 or episode 4 for October. I am still at the hotel and I just ordered my food. I ordered a cheeseburger, so hopefully it'll be here in a bit. I am starving. I went running with my dad in the morning, and when he was going for breakfast, I was not hungry as yet. So yeah, but for now I'm just trying to edit the vlog. I think the vlog before this or something along those lines, and then we'll go shower and we can get right into my skincare routine. Yeah guys, I'll check good morning. Welcome to episode 3, I guess. I don't know which episode of Vlogtober this is, or if it even still is Vlogtober. I don't know when this is going up, but good morning. So I just showered and I'm getting ready. I realized my lips are always dry every time I'm speaking to you guys. Like, I hate it, but anyway, I just showered, so my skin is kind of dry. I am going for a paint and sip for one of my friends. It's her birthday, paint and sip thing. So I just showered. I'm getting ready. I wanted to do my skincare routine with you guys to just show you what I use, but I am running late, so that will definitely be another video. I know I said I'll do it at the hotel in the last video. Please go watch the last video if you haven't. It's doing so terribly. Please go watch it. Yeah, so I'll just show you guys my outfit in the elevator. I'll quickly dress up and do my face, and then yeah, I'm out of here. Then I'll go meet everybody else because I am catching a ride with somebody. So I will catch you guys later.
There's a sparkle in your eyes. I feel the warmth of your skin. Just the touch of your hand makes me tremble within. Love the smell of your hair, lying here in my bed. Never gonna be alone, 'cause with you I'm finally coming home. I wanna be with you always, 'cause that is what my heart says. That's what my heart says. I wanna be with you always. You are my world in every place. It's the things that you do, and it's the smile on your face. And as time goes by, I know I'm in a better place. I'm in a better place. Without your love, I am out of place. And without you, I am just a trace. I love you with all of my heart. Together forever, never to part. I wanna be with you always, 'cause that is what my heart says. That's what my heart says. I wanna be with you always. Always, yeah. You are my world in every place. Oh, it's the things that you do. It's the things you do, baby. It's the smile on your face. Smile on your face. And as time goes by, I know I'm in a better place. I'm in a better place. It's the
welcome back. Yo. So I just want to show you guys. Remember this package that I showed you guys last in the previous vlog? Actually, I need to show you guys what's on my skin. I like the way my skin is looking. Anyway, so we have this again. So backstory. So my dad travels a lot for work. Since I was young, he's just been traveling a lot for work, and with each of his travels, he made it like a thing where he would like bring me a teddy bear. Like when I was younger, it was teddy bears. I think I tweeted about this actually. Like, so when I was younger, it was teddy bears. I'd always have a teddy bear, right? And to a point where like I had this big box. I think our first washing machine, the box was filled with like just teddy bears. So he's kind of like carried on with that norm even like until now that I'm older. And so this is why I got this, right? So in March he was doing the Tokyo Marathon, and he traveled with my mom. So they just asked me what I wanted, and I really wanted, I think they were at the Doha airport, and I really wanted like Dior, any Dior products, because there's like these aesthetic Dior like spreads that are there, and I really like them. I think they look cute, and I feel like Dior and YSL are like very classy, and you know, like ultimately like I just want to have Dior beauty and YSL beauty stuff and just be a lady, you know. So they bought me something, so this is why this was there. So they bought this in March, right? And this is what they got me. I don't know if you guys can see, it's the Dior Addict Lip Glow Oil. That's actually what I have on my lips right now, but I wanted to show you guys like what it looks like from the, so it looks like this, so it looks like that. You guys I'm sorry you guys can't see properly. So it looks like that, and then there's a little paper here, but I think they got this like while they were still in Tokyo, because even the writing here is in Japanese or whatever. And then it's like this, and I would ask for the cherry flavor because of the color. I really like it, it's cute, and then it's written CD over there, but you guys can't see that. But yeah, it's written CD over there. I'll take a picture and make it a, what do you call it, a thumbnail, a picture in the thumbnail. And it's my favorite thing right now. Like every time someone's like, oh my gosh, I need lip gloss, I just whip up mine, and I'm just like, what do you mean? So that's the first thing. So this is from March actually, and in April he did the, was it in April? Yeah, it was in April. He did the London Marathon, and when he was at the airport he asked me what I wanted, and I ran out of perfume, so I asked him to get me a cologne. So my dad has a very good sense of smell, and like I trust him when it comes to like picking out colognes. He picks out colognes for my mom all the time, and I'm always just like stealing her colognes because they smell so good. So I got the cologne. So he got me Boss Alive. I told him not to get me something floral, but yeah, he got me this, and looks like this. I told you guys that I wanted to unbox it on IG, but I haven't gotten the time to do that, so I've just kept all this together. So that the box looks like, and I hope you guys can see. And then this is our lovely bottle. I love it. The notes, a joyful fragrance perfectly capturing the passion and determination of the, guys, it's peak hour and I'm about to leave also. Perfectly capturing the passion and determination of the boss woman. Sparkling apple, captivating vanilla, and vibrant wood notes exceed confidence and femininity. So yeah, so it's apple and vanilla, but it smells really good. Yeah, I don't know why my lighting is doing this. But it looks like this and smells really good. I've been using it the other day. Somebody bumped into me and like, oh gosh, you smell so good. I was like, girl, it was my day. So this is from April, and yeah, then you guys saw what it got me in June was the comrades outfits. Yeah, so he's just kept this tradition going, and I'm just like geeked out, because I'm just like, as old as I am, I'm still a daddy's girl. Like my dad will never go somewhere and not bring me anything. So yeah, man, I just thought I should show you guys that. And I think I'll close the vlog here. As for my skin, should I show you guys what I use on my skin right now? Because I feel like I've been speaking for so long. But I think I'll show you tomorrow. I'll just film like a separate sit down video where I just show you guys like what I use on my skin. It won't be a long video, it'll probably be like less than 10 minutes because I really don't have like a skincare routine like that. But yeah, I will catch you guys in our next vlog or video. I don't know when that will be, probably over the weekend. I'll just edit this one and keep it in the draft so that by Thursday it goes up. And thank you so much, guys. If you haven't watched the last time, please go watch the last time. It's doing so terribly, and that's mainly because I uploaded and forgot to upload the thumbnail. So now just one okay there. I uploaded so forgot to upload a thumbnail, so now it went up and some people watched it. When I put it back up, the views were not viewing. So yeah, guys, please just go watch the last video, drop a comment, drop a like. Even the one before that, drop a comment, drop a like. And yeah, I'll catch you guys later. Bye.